Hi YouTube. As you can see, I got weld and I'm about to fill in some low spots on my block with it. I've cleaned this up with a wire brush, electric wire brush over there, and I've used thinners to clean it. There's two instructions. So I'm about to mix up some of this weld and apply it to the low spots. Low spots being this area and that area. And that was caused when it blew out the gasket through this end, and just the gasket moving off of where it's supposed to seat, and it's eaten into the block material. So I got the head sent away to get machined, which is fine. Valves got done, but they rang me back after they'd done some testing on this block and said that it's no guarantee that it's going to last for more than 3 months. So at this stage I can't afford to pull the block out of the truck and get it done properly, because it's going to cost me a fortune already. I'm at 5,000 for the heads, the injectors, and as you can see, what I also found was 2 pistons had cracked, so they've been taken out. Second hand one's going to go back in. You can see straight through that block and this block here. Don't worry about the mess. So yeah, this one here is also blown. Probably, yeah, there you go, you can see straight through. And the mechanic got it honed and got the bore honed out before he left. So yeah, I get to putting some of this weld on, and I'll take another video shot of it and see what the results are. This being a diesel 300 6-cylinder for a 6-wheel tipper. It's not a little truck, so let's see how long this is going to last, and cross fingers.